That's letter I.
Hindi ko na yata inabutan yung dati.
So,
How old are you?
na ako, mga 30 pa lang ako.
Parehas lang halos tayo.
Yun nga.
Matanda ka lang naman.
Talaga.
So what happened with that? Okay, ito yung dating luma.
Yeah, yung letter I, yung pang shave, no? Yung labaha. Then, lumabas yung, hindi ko sabihin siguro yung brand, pero yung letter T na pang shave.
Right.
And buong mundo, halos yun na yung ginagamit. So, nagkaroon din ng letter I na toothbrush, then lumabas yung letter T. Kasi, di ba, anong turo ng dentist? Sabi daw, up and down. Di ba? Up and down. So, nagagawa naman ito up and down. Problem is, pag nilipat mo sa kabila, mag-iiba yung posisyon ng kamay. So, hindi pareho ang strength.
Okay.
Pangalawa, pag hinawakan mo yung letter I, nakataas.
Eh, kung nag-workout ka, nagpapalaki ka ng muscle.
Kaya lang, hindi balance.
Hindi
sa kabila.
balance.
Ang laki ng
Wala
muscle mo
akong
rin.
pag-aralan left and right. Okay, continue.
Ano kagandahan dito? Tingnan mo ito. Dahil sa design niya, proper way of brushing, napopromote. Bakit? Pag hinawakan mo siya, naka-relax.
Okay.
Yung kamay mo nakababa. No choice ka, up mo, ida-down mo. Di ba?
Hindi pwedeng wiper.
Hindi pwede. Alam mo kung bakit? Kasi sabi ng mga dentist, ang pagtubo ng ngipin kasi is pababa. May pattern kasi ang ngipin eh. Pababa siya.
Nasa baba, pataas.
Pag nilagari mo siya, pag brinas mo siya ng ganyan, para siyang nilalagari.
And therefore, may sinisira ka pa.
Kaya nagkakaroon ng mga sensitive teeth.
Okay, that's
Kaya,
why.
yes, oo. So, ganun. Tapos pag halimbawa, kumain ka, lalo siyang napupush dito sa mga... So,
Ako yung
kung titingnan mo, eto, gaganyan mo siya, tapos i-slide mo lang siya ng ganyan, abot kasi hanggang dulo yan eh. I-up and down mo siya, hindi siya nag-change ng posisyon. Ganyan din, up and down. Eto pa.
This is a crazy episode introduced by Cornel Bonco, Green Heaven. This is innovation. Okay.
Ito na pala. Pinakamalupit sa lahat is yung loob. Mahirap linisin itong letter I.
No. I never tried.
Ang hirap.
I
Ang
never
hirap.
tried.
Ito, try mo. Tingnan mo to ha. Effortless. Tingnan mo sa Lloyd, oh. Up, down. Up, down. Ito ba?
So, tanggalin tinga sa loob. Okay.
Grabe. So, yun. Pinopromote lang natin yung proper way of brushing.
Right.
Kasi,
I have a very important question. This you need to watch very, very closely. How many years has been the dentistry actually existed? And not even a dentist actually came up with this kind of innovation. Why is that so?
kasi yung binigay ata yung wisdom doon sa sa inventor eh. Pinakita ko nga to sa mga dentist. Sabi ko, Madam, no, hindi nyo tinutukan yung spelling ng toothbrush.
letter T.
Ang grabe, kasi talagang parang nalulungkot sila na bakit hindi nila naisip yun. Actually, sa mga engineer, sa engineering, parang yung innovation niya, from 0 to 1 lang. Pinuto lang to, tapos ginanon lang.
Right, exactly.
From zero
It's
to
not a major.
Kaya nga talaga eh, parang sobrang blessed itong tao na to, naka-invento si Mr. Jack Liu Hanshong.
Okay.
No.
Good. What does a dentist actually tell you when you present that one?
Actually, natuwa sila. Dahil kahit anong kasing advice nila sa mga tao, pag nagmamadali, wow.
Oo. Wow. Lahat
Lahat mali eh. Pero eto, ang una kong pinisentan yung anak ko. 2 years old siya, no? Paghawak niya.
Wait a minute. 2 years old, pinresentan mo?
Ito product. Siyempre, normal lang na reaction ng bata. Yun ang ine-expect ko na pag hinawakan niya yung toothbrush eh. No? So, nung pagkabigay ko sa kanya to, hindi ako dentista, pero nakita ko sa anak ko na up and down.
So without you telling...
hindi mo na kailangan turuan kung paano niya gagawin. Ano bakit? Hindi kasi.
Okay. You got me there. Now, what is this doing in here?
Okay. Para ipakita natin sa audience, no? Itong demo. Okay.
We have a comb.
Yes, at saka yung
And
powder. Oo, powder. Tapos, ipapakita natin na mas effective. Dahil dito, ang term natin dito, mapipwersa ka, mag-up and down. So, dito, magagawa mo left and right. So, halimbawa, ito yung ngipin, example, no? So, pag tama yung mga dentist eh. Pag brinas mo siya ng ganyan, hindi talaga siya nalilinis.
Okay.
Kahit i-round mo pa siya. No? Hindi siya nalilinis. Pero dito, dahil hindi mo siya ma-left and right, pansinin mo to pag in-up and down mo yan, anong mangyayari?
Mabilis, ano? Tanggal lahat.
Nalilinis. Kung susundin lang natin yung dentist. Problem lang dati, mali ang design. Kasi ito na yung tama.
And now this is the right design.
Yan.
Okay. Whew. Wonderful, wonderful. What are the things that you learned when you were doing this business? 3 important things that you've learned in doing a business. How do you succeed in business? 3 things.
Marami akong yes, siguro una, isa sa mga benefit na nakuha ko dito sa business is connection. No? Kasi
That's
in
number 1.
network marketing is doon ka magkakaroon ka ng connection.
Number 2.
Number 2 is nakakatulong ka, magkakaroon ka ng privilege na makatulong sa tao.
Number 3.
Number 3 is yung mahahasa yung skills mo kasi it's a people business, lagi ka nagsasalita. So, like ako, kahit ako, high school graduate, pero yung nakasama ko yung mga magagaling na tao, parang
gumaling ka na rin.
Parang ganun.
Nahawa ka sa galing.
Nahawa, oo, parang ganun.
What is still in the future of Danny for you? When we come back, ladies and gentlemen, our guest will join us. Text or call us, send us your comments or questions, and we will be happy to give you some answers. And I will be back with this week's top 8. The industries that actually are in demand if you are to choose a franchise. Stay tuned. We are back on Creative Business with Lloyd Luna, and before I give you this week's top 8, the best Philippine franchises that you can actually get for yourselves. Now, texter from 1307, ending 1307, it's an interesting product. Now, it's not only an interesting product, I think it's also a very important product for each and every one of us. And from texters 8446, good afternoon. From Zamboanga, ang sabi po niya ay, how much naman po ba yung teeth toothbrush and saan po siya available? Well, the number is, we're going to flash on screen, but here's the number, 0915 403 3921. That's 0915 403 3921. If you want to get in touch with the business owner in here. Now, let's go back with our crazy guest for a very insane Friday morning, ladies and gentlemen. Cornell and Danny. Education system. Does it matter? Does it still matter if you are to build your business?
For me, you're asking the learning sheet.
Yeah. Go ahead.
It matters. It matters.
If you say it doesn't matter, your children will actually leave the school.
Well, it matters for 2 things.
Okay.
One,
Number 1.
You need to learn the basics. Reading.
The basics.
Reading, writing, arithmetic.
Right. Which,
and
by the way,
righteousness.
Danny is not interested about learning. Number 2.
Number 2, you need your network of friends.
Which Danny got starting from a
Developing.
bus.
Right.
By looking.
By looking somebody eye to eye. Ang sinasabi ko kasi yung mga eskwela provides a very good networking opportunity. So high school and college students in school right now need to develop those network of friends.
But
Right.
do our students actually, or are they aware that it's actually the best opportunity for them to create networks?
Hindi nga. Anong nangyayari kasi, they're in school and they're out. In and out. Ang nangyayari, they seem to be learning, but what they find out later is that 5 years after graduation, what they've learned from school,
Right.
labas dun sa basics
Right.
are obsolete.
Right, exactly. That's what they're going to do after graduation.
Yeah, they need
time
to
in
learn.
and then time out.
Yes. They will be in a job because they are trained for jobs. Now, if you are not trained for a job, if you're trained to think differently,
Right.
then people will get you for your very unique ideas.